Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Steven with Trailbenders Overland, and in today's video we're going to identify whether or not it would be beneficial to save money and clean your air filter or just replace it. So it should only take about 2 minutes. Let's get the 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. So the vehicle that we're working on today is a Ram 1500. It's a 4x4 Laramie, has the 5.7 liter V8. And in this job, all you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver. All you're gonna need to do to get started is loosen this clamp right here. It doesn't need to come all the way off, but this will just end up sliding out just like that. So if you notice right here, there's gonna be these little clamps. On this model, there's 4. All you gotta do is just flip the tab and they'll pop off just like that. So to make this a little bit easier, all you gotta do is just pull on this right here. It'll slide right out and the box will just come right up, just like so. So from the looks of it, you can already see that it's a little bit dirty. You got a little bit of oil right here, but here's where the kicker is. Once you pull this out, look how dirty that is. All right guys, well, there it is. And I'm actually embarrassed to show you this, but in this case, I'm not even gonna clean it. I was gonna try to save 30 bucks and just wash it out, take some K&N air filter cleaner and spray it with a compressor, and that would be fine. However, the nature of this filter is just completely shot in my opinion, so I'm not even going to mess with it, and I'm just gonna go and replace it. So to the store I go. Look how nasty this is. That's gross. Okay, so just got back from AutoZone, picked up this premium air filter. I think it cost me about 28 bucks in total or so. Let's look at the difference and compare the two.
You suck!
And maybe it's something that you should consider, just spending the extra couple bucks for it. So here they are. Here's the comparison. Obviously, you can see the big difference of between this one and this one. Like I said, in my case, not even going to try to clean this. It wouldn't benefit my truck at all. So I just went and spent the 28 bucks and got a brand new filter. Sucks, but hey, sometimes you just gotta fork out the money. You know, it is what it is. All right, so now that we got the new filter, all we're gonna do is just completely put it back the same way that we took it out. Air filter, the fins go down. The box goes on top. Shut it down, put the clips back up. Make sure that the box is completely sealed. Don't want to get no water in there. Place your hose right back on top. Slides just on like that. And that slides in just like that. Now we'll just tighten this down. Boom, don't over tighten it, and we're good. All right guys, so that was a simple video on how to change or identify whether or not you should just clean or buy a new filter. I hope it was beneficial for you. If it was, consider giving it a like. Also, become part of the Bender fam and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell because you'll be notified when we release new content. I gotta go camping this weekend, so I gotta get out of here, start getting packed. So wait, did we go past that 2 minute mark? I hope we stayed within the 2 minute. If we didn't, I apologize. But I will check you guys out in the next video. Peace. Honestly, look how nasty this thing is. I mean, doo-doo, yuck.